Hi, this is Erica with Crafts Direct, and today I want to show you this adorable little wood block. So with just a couple pieces of paper, some paint, and a few of your favorite photos, you can make one of your own. And it's perfect to add it to your home office if you're working from home, or anywhere in your house, just to add a little bit of cute decor.
We are going to start this project out by cutting apart our 4x4 squares, and we're trying to get to the You Are My Sunshine square. Next thing we're going to do is trim it down to size. Our block is 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and our paper was 4x4, so we're going to cut 1/4 inch off of each side. Next we're going to grab one of our 4x6 pictures and trim that down to be 3.5 by 3.5 as well. We're going to go in with our second picture and get that trimmed down to 3.5 by 3.5 inches. Next we're going to go back to our paper and we are going to cut out the Oh Happy Day square. And again, that started out as 4x4 and we need to get it down to 3.5 by 3.5. Then finally we're going to take our red polka dotted paper and we're going to cut 2 squares that are once again 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Now that we've got our paper all ready to go, we need to get that wood block ready. So we are going to paint the edges of the wood block yellow. We are just focusing on the parts that will be seen instead of painting the entire surface. Once that's dry, we get to adhere all of the fun paper and pictures to the block. So we are using a glue runner as the adhesive and then just placing those pieces of paper in place. So the red polka dotted ones will be opposite of each other. And then you'll lay out the other squares just as they're laying. So you'll do a photo, then you'll move to the You Are My Sunshine, a photo, and then the Oh Happy Day. Now that we've got all of our squares adhered to the block, we are going to add just a little bit of embellishments. We are going to take some yellow and white twine and wrap it around the block twice, kind of zigzagging how we're laying it out. We're going to have it meet up in the front where the Oh Happy Day is. We're going to double knot it and then tie a cute little bow. And then look at your fun little block and all the fun pictures on it.
You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go to our projects page.